Shalom, kavod, Rabbi.
Hello.
Shana Tova. Thank you, Rabbi. It's about minor topics, and none of them are about the book we are reading.
No, go ahead. Any topic. I said any topic, please.
Thank you, Rabbi.
Mm-hmm.
The main question I have a bunch, but I have one that I consider is very important.
Mm-hmm.
It's for Yom Kippur.
Mm-hmm.
It's from the book A Woman's Guide to Practical Halacha.
Mm-hmm.
I will read a sentence that caught my attention about Yom Kippur and says, asking for mehila in order to obtain forgiveness from someone who is no longer alive. It is necessary to go to the gravesite and ask there. My question is if this is applied to idolaters that already died. Thank you.
Yeah, that's very interesting. So, but do we know like exactly that we insulted them, we offended them very much, or?
No, it's more like
in general, just
indifference.
No, it's so it's not. No. You see, okay. So let me say we actually said it today. It says that the general rule is follows. So if it's was something avert, like sin was that like as I said, indifferent, right? Some like in passive is not as severe as the one that done like actively. So if we just ignore them, for example, there's one guy on YouTube, right? So he wrote us. He was a fan until 2 days ago, before Rosh Hashanah. Yeah, he saw one video and he got very upset and he started insulting. And I say maybe 99% of the what is it? 99 of the truth is the 100% lie. He didn't get it and he started insulting more. So I started responding. There is nobody to talk to, and now he got upset that we're not responding to him. You understand? So sometimes when you treat somebody like this, it's actually very insulting when you ignore somebody, and that's what Rabbi Reuven Shlita told me. Right? No, don't pay attention to these clowns, right? On one hand, but if what you said, if somebody be insulted, a person, right? Somebody insulted somebody else, very very bitterly. So the halacha is that he takes the 10 Jews, right? Let's say it's a Jew. Let's simplify the case. I mean, I'm talking about the case that you read. So he take 10 Jews, and he reads a special text, and he has 10 witnesses. So of course that person in the grave cannot answer yes or no, like I forgive you, Mechila. So there is nothing, right? So instead of 10 Jews, and he's very sincere, and he's been granted forgiveness. And that's the proper thing. So, but just we can understand from the embarrassment that person, like he confesses his sin in front of 10 people. Of course, other people who wants to participate also come. So it's not only 10. It's I don't know how many. They want to see how the procedure is done. So and you have the whole crowd of people, and you have to be embarrassed. And of course, it helps with atonement. But with the idolaters, especially as you said, if you just like just shun away from them, I don't think you have to go to the grave and ask forgiveness. That's like you're welcome. So that's like much more severe case that somebody insulted somebody like in public maybe, or like didn't like borrow money, did not return. That person become broke and the whole family fell apart. People died. That's a sign kind of thing.
Thank you, kavod.
Yes. You're welcome.